Hi, good evening. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about some of the uninstall commands for Ubuntu, Debian, and also CentOS, Fedora, and also RHEL. Purge will remove about everything regarding the package but not the dependency installed with it on installation, which is particularly useful when you want to start all over with that application. For Apt Remove, it will remove the binaries but leave configuration files, data files, and dependency installed with it on the installation time untouched. Auto remove will only go through the catalog and remove any leftover packages that were not directly installed and are not required. So if you run this command to remove Apache Web Services, all its libraries will be removed. Dpkg is the primary package manager for Debian and Debian-based systems such as Ubuntu. Dpkg-R does not remove configuration files. Use this option when remove software for reinstalling. Standard repositories might not provide all the packages that can be installed on CentOS, RHEL, or Debian or Ubuntu. Turning on the EPL repositories provide additional options for package install. Dnf Yum, better known as Dnf, is a software package manager for RPM-based Linux distribution that install updates and remove packages on Fedora, CentOS, RHEL, Oracle Linux, Rocky Linux, and so forth. Dnf remove a particular package and all dependent packages. The specific packages as installed by user. You can use yum remove to remove a single package or a multiple package. You can also use yum remove to remove a group of packages. Package dependencies are binaries, libraries, and modules on which software rely on. So when installing software, it will automatically download and install the required dependency. In this case, you can use yum Autoremove to remove the package and all the unneeded dependencies.